Hey guys, got a Whirlpool washer. It's in like new condition. Letting it run through a load right now. As you can see, it's got a pretty heavy load, jeans, towels. It's going through the agitation portion of the wash cycle. Just got it on normal. And I'm going to let you listen to it. Once it gets to that spin cycle, you can see it spin and you'll see that it's nice and balanced. Everything's smooth and it sounds real good. Purpose of this video is so that you know when you buy these, take them home, start to run them, they're going to work like they're supposed to. So we will let this go on to the spin cycle and I'll come back for that. Then when it's done, I'm going to move those clothes over to the dryer and show you that the dryer also works and heats properly. So we'll come back for that. While we're waiting on that washer, I'll go ahead and show you the dryer. It is a Maytag. It is a Super Capacity Plus. It's got a nice big capacity on it. I'll show you that here in just a second. I'm running it just on regular time dry right now. You can hear the washer even draining its water. It's louder. So you'll get to hear it with a full load of laundry, but I'm going to show you real quick that it is heating the way it's supposed to. So little red dot's going to show you the surface temperature or whatever I shine it on. Doesn't matter. It's got a pretty good range. So we'll open this up here. Shoot it right into the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of there. And then your inside of your dryer will get anywhere from about 100 to 195 as it gets heated up, and it's got the clothes in there. So let's hit that start button there. And nice and smooth. So we'll get clothes in that here as soon as we're done showing off the washer. Okay, and we're back. Final spin cycle. Spinning very fast. Sounds great. Nice smooth operation. And you're not really supposed to lift the lid up on these, especially in the spin cycle, but it's got that lid switch, safety switch, shut it down. So I'm going to show you that that works and show you that it is spinning nice and fast. So that's it on there. We'll get these moved over to the dryer as soon as they're done and let you hear that with a full load of clothes. Alright, so we've got those clothes pulled out of here. You see it's nice and clean. And I've got them going over here. So that you see it's a nice full load there. Sounds great. Runs great. Nice smooth operation. So there you have it. These guys work good. Excellent condition. You know that when you buy them, take them home, plug them in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. And there again, that's kind of the point of these videos. And we'll get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, please reach out. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. Have a great day.